Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do an English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video, and that is an interesting topic. So you can also watch this video till the end, and you can understand how we can do the practice by just recording ourselves. So the topic is about describing a book that had a strong impact on you. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak on it, and there is some sort of questions which we need to ask. And so if you don't know anything about questions, so you need to find out 5W and 1H. So this is very important if you are want to basically speak on cue cards. So this is a natural way of speaking any topic, whatever you think. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So in my life, basically I do read multiple books, but one of the most impactful book which I've read in my life is the 5 a.m. Club, because I think whatever the things which I needed, I just uh, got that from that particular book, because there is a lot of things which I remember and basically implement in my day-to-day basis, because in that particular book I got to know there is some sort of digital distraction as well. Along with that, we should need to manage our time, and particularly if you want to achieve something in your real life. And along with that, basically the book basically give you the belief which you required, because as an entrepreneur, basically you need to have a solid self belief in yourself. What you are doing, you first need to know, right? And that book particularly helps me to basically maintain my manage basically maintain my attention or focus towards my goals. And so I've learned how to manage emotions, and how to manage my physical activities, or you can say spiritually, why it is more important to basically give time to yourself. So these are all the things which I've learned from the books. Particularly, there is one quote which I still remember, that is bleed the more you sweat, the less you bleed in the war. So this is the quote which I remembered, and there is a lot of things particularly which I want to mention, like that. There is one quote as well where he taught like in in the old ancient time period, where Shahjahan, who built Taj Mahal, he gave around 500 years, and he worked basically day to day basis, and he never think of I will not get some sort of things such as I cannot able to build Taj Mahal. So he never think about that. So but at the end, basically he built it. It is every day every day's basically work which giving the satisfaction at the end of his basically his you can say his peoples have seen that. So this is kind of basically dedication we need to have. And yeah, this is very astonishing book which I've read, and I've just remembered a lot of things. Along with that, his previously basically I got suggestion from the YouTube only. There is one person who have suggested me, and the author name is Robin Sharma. He is very widely known as a spiritually leader person and motivational speaker as well. So yeah, I recommended a lot of people to basically read this book. The book name is 5 a.m. Club. Like how can we start and start the day like a billionaire, because the peoples who are at the top, they basically follow this kind of routine. So on this video, that is it. I hope I am able to address what I want to do basically. And so for the cue card, that is it. Hope you guys like this video. Bye bye, have a good day.